Good morning, everybody. So this is where I come outside to pray every morning. So what I'm going to show you today to do is praying with coloring. And I know I did something a long time ago on Facebook with that, but this is for the kids for Summer CCD. Now, all of you have one of these kind of pages, very abstract, in your folder. What's in your packet? Simply what you're going to do is you're going to write first all the people you want to pray for. So you might write, let me get a good pencil here. You could write Mom, Dad, and go all the way around. And I would put my brother's name as Andy. I would my husband Ray. And then my kids, Gab, and her husband Rob, my grandson Sevi, my other daughter Nani, her husband Steve. You could put your friends, put Miss Pam here. You could put people that are sick. I have a friend, Felicia. You could put people that are really doing a lot for the pandemic. I put the doctors and nurses here and our police officers. You could put for peace, something in your heart. And then every day, all I do is I take a different color and I say a prayer. You could say Our Father, Hail Mary, or you could do a special prayer. And then I go back and I pray near that color. So I would pray Mom, and I say the names out loud. It's really important for somebody to hear your name, especially God. He hears you. And then I would go on, Dad, and I would just color near it. My brother, Andy. So every day you're adding to it. And I would just do one color. And then the next day I'd come back and do a second color. So that's all it is, praying with coloring. Okay, see you in our next YouTube. Bye.